Vitamin C plays a very important part in the health of our skin. It's packed full of antioxidants, which help repair and renew the skin. One of the main things it does is it helps the body produce collagen. And collagen is something I'm personally very interested in because collagen helps heal acne scars, which is my current skin concern. I've been working on healing these boxcar scars I have, and they're not as prominent as they used to be, but they do still need work, and vitamin C has really been helping me along the way. Unfortunately, our bodies cannot make vitamin C on its own, so we have to either consume it through the food we eat or apply it topically. So I've been making my own vitamin C serum for the last few weeks, and it's been a real game changer. Applying vitamin C onto the skin has many benefits. Because it's such a powerful antioxidant, it's known for things like brightening up the skin, reducing sun damage, fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps with things like dark spots and, of course, acne scars too. So thank you to Boss Essentials for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their vitamin C powder, better known as L-ascorbic acid, and this is what I've been using to make my own vitamin C serum. This powder is non-GMO and it's perfect for making serums at home because the crystals are ultra fine and they dissolve very easily. And the other two ingredients I use to make the serum are glycerin and distilled water, so it's pretty simple. You're also going to want to store this in a dark amber or blue glass bottle because vitamin C does oxidize very quickly when exposed to light. So I'll have links to everything I use in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So this is a very simple guide to making the serum with different levels of vitamin C concentration. So you can take a screenshot of this if you want, so when you're making it, you know exactly what to use. It's also recommended to start with a 5% solution and slowly increase your tolerance. And you never want to do more than 20% because that would really irritate your skin. And I currently use the 10% solution, so those are the measurements that I'll be using today. So the first thing I do is add the vitamin C powder and the distilled water into a small container. And I'm using this little beaker because it has a spout, so this way I'll easily be able to pour this into my bottle. And I just mix until the powder dissolves completely. Once it's fully dissolved, I add the glycerin and stir it in. Then I transfer this into the glass bottle, and if you have a funnel, definitely use that, but really anything with a spout will also do the job. Then I just give it a little shake, and now it's ready to use. So I just take a few drops and gently pat this into my skin, really focusing on my cheeks where the scars are. And I let my skin absorb it completely, so I wait a few minutes and then I apply my moisturizer. So I use this every single night after cleansing and toning, and it's really best to avoid using this during the day because vitamin C does make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So that's why personally, I only use this at night. And you do want to store the serum in a cool, dark place to prevent any oxidation. So I personally keep mine in the fridge because I find it also helps extend its shelf life, so it can actually last up to 2 weeks. It's also important to keep an eye out on the color of the serum. So if it starts turning like an orange or a brown color, that's a good indicator that the vitamin C has oxidized. So at that point, you'll want to make a new batch. Remember that consistency is the key to seeing any results. So stick to it and then come back and share your experience with the serum in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!